This video is an overview of a setup I've created to make an improvised arranger keyboard using a Novation SL MK2, a Mac Mini M1 running MainStage, plus some other software I'll describe shortly. The Novation keyboard's a MIDI controller. It's got no sounds of its own. The sound is generated by MainStage in the Mac. In the original SL Mark1, 2 LCD displays were provided. However, in the Mark II, for some reason, there's only one. So I've added OLED displays to the right-hand side, driven by an Arduino. The keyboard has extensive MIDI control abilities, and its feedback LEDs can be controlled from the Mac. As can be seen, the controls are synchronized between the keyboard and the Mac and can be operated using the physical controls of the keyboard or from the Mac using mouse or touchpad. There now follows a rather poorly played demonstration of a piano sound and then a Korg M1. Okay, so before moving on to the full arranger setup, let's look at the rhythm section, which is provided by a great piece of software appropriately called OneManBand. OneManBand is controlled by MIDI commands and notes. It uses freely available Yamaha arranger style files. The lower section of the keyboard, or the left hand, notes are fed to OneManBand, which plays the appropriate chording. Style variations are available as per the Yamaha standard. Let's take a look. When OneManBand opens, a Finder window also opens at the root folder for all of the styles that I have on the hard drive. So we'll just now select a style. Kansas City. The style variations are labelled A, B, C, D, and by default I have the style, after it's loaded, opening at intro A, as you can see. Striking a chord starts the accompaniment. So this is what the right hand screen looks like when playing the arranger without any music score. Bottom half of the screen shows the registration sets that have been created. Top left is the relevant part of the OneManBand screen, and top right is the detail of the particular registration set that's been loaded. To make room for score on the main screen when it's being displayed, the right hand screen takes on a different function to an extent, in as much as it's showing MainStage as well as the other aspects that it would usually show. The main screen in this case now shows score, although I have blanked it out for concerns over copyright. The score pages can be turned using buttons on the physical keyboard or using a foot pedal. A lot of what is happening here by way of interaction amongst MainStage, OneManBand, score display registrations, etc. is underpinned by an app called Keyboard Maestro, which does a lot more than just keyboard stuff. It can control apps, windows, interface with MIDI and a whole lot more. This has been an overview video inviting comments where more detail might be required. I'll respond with answers, and if there is interest in particular elements, further videos may follow. Thanks for watching.